Hi, I want to let everyone know we're still in business and doing safe home inspections in spite of COVID-19. I'm Tony Lane with Trusted Advisor Home Inspections. Several home buyers and real estate professionals have contacted me to find out if we're following CDC guidelines during our home inspection. And the answer is yes. I am taking precautionary steps to minimize risk. Um, First of all, if you're concerned about coming in contact with others for fear of contracting the virus, I have a solution. Don't come to the inspection. That's right, you don't have to attend. Um, I have SentryLock access to houses secured with SentryLock lockboxes. Therefore, I can let myself in, I can do the inspection, and then email the real estate agent and the purchaser the inspection report the same day. Um, Once everybody has reviewed the report, I can initiate a conference call and discuss the report and answer any questions. The purchaser can also sign the inspection agreement online and also make payment via our secure online payment system. If either party wants to attend the home inspection, that's fine also. I wear disposable gloves and a face mask if requested. I also respect the distancing recommendations of 6 feet for everyone's protection. If the seller of the home doesn't want to leave the house for 3 to 4 hours during the home inspection for fear of coming in contact with the general public, I can set up a safe room for them. For example, I inspect the family room first and the nearest bathroom. Once these rooms have been inspected, I disinfect the rooms with disinfectant wipes, all while wearing disposable gloves and a face mask. Then the homeowner can hang out in the safe room and watch TV or whatever until the home inspection is complete. Um, these are just a few of the precautions taken to protect everyone. To see a full list of our precautionary steps, please visit our website at trustedadvisorhomeinspections.com or give us a call at 703 259 9192.